Thanks to advances in technology, serpentine belts last a lot longer than they used to. The downside to this longevity is that they don't always show visual signs of wear, and a belt which looks fine may actually be near the end of its life. The new Gates belt wear gauge was designed with the input of professional technicians to provide a simple check and determine if the belt has lost enough material to warrant replacement. Power steering, engine cooling, air conditioning and charging systems may all be adversely affected by reduced drive from a worn serpentine belt. Besides reduced efficiency, an outright belt failure will leave you stranded and at worst damage your vehicle or cause an accident. This small, lightweight gauge can be used with a belt on or off the vehicle, in tight spaces or even areas you can't see. With the engine off, just press the gauge into an open, straight surface on the belt and attempt to rock the gauge laterally while applying gentle pressure. If the gauge resists movement and remains seated firmly in the grooves, the belt is in good condition. If there's movement in the gauge, there is enough wear in the belt to cause slip, and it should be replaced with a high-quality Gates belt drive. A belt wear check should be done at every 3-month inspection. Replace it with a quality Gates belt drive when necessary, and you'll ensure optimum safety and reliability in your vehicle.